Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Cheap Enthusiast. I wanted to share my plans for an upcoming trip we're taking next week. We're going to hit 5 parks in 7 days. The best part is 4 of the 5 parks are new to me, and that's a whole lot of new credits. I wanted to see what you guys think. I hope you enjoy. Okay, first up, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I kind of kicked myself in the butt over this one because I'm actually from Pennsylvania, so it's like, why haven't you gone to Kennywood before? You know, I've been to Pittsburgh quite a few times, but I've never had a chance to stop at Kennywood. Now, we can argue that we have the better parks on this side with Hershey, Dorney, and Six Flags Great Adventure, but Kennywood has some legendary coasters and arguably the best coaster in Pennsylvania with Phantom's Revenge. So I'm really excited to go, and my biggest fear is that Steel Curtain will not be operating because I heard that it hasn't really been up yet this season. So let's see what happens next week, fingers crossed. Okay, here's the part where I say I'm super excited for this one. So this will be my first ever trip to Kings Island. I have been to Cedar Point before and I've been through Ohio, but I never made it down to Kings Island, so I'm really excited for this, especially with Orion, the new Giga coaster, out this year. I really hope that it lives up to the hype. I'm really excited to get my first ride on a B&M Giga because before, I've only been on Intamin Gigas, I-305, Millennium Force, you know, so I really want to see if B&M lives up to the hype, and I really want to see how the Beast is. Unfortunately, I'm afraid that I won't be able to get all of the credits because of the Access Pass situation. And I'm really hopeful that I'll get there, I'll get all the rides. Unfortunately, I probably won't get a night ride on the Beast because of the shortened hours, but they close at 8 o'clock, so anything's possible. Next up, we have Kentucky Kingdom. I'm really excited to go to Kentucky. It's kind of weird, like, because I'm definitely like a city kind of guy, so it'll be definitely like a different kind of experience, but I'm excited to go and check out the rides there. I know they have a great RMC, this Chance roller coaster, and even Kentucky Flyer, so I really want to see what it's about. I heard that it's a half-a-day park, but I have the full day almost at every park because I didn't really want this trip to be rushed. I really want to get a feel for the culture of everywhere that I'm going, and I really want to kind of see what all these great rides are about. So I'm excited for Kentucky Kingdom. I'm just nervous about the no mask policy. Next up, a super awesome park. This is Holiday World in Santa Claus, Indiana. Just like I said, I didn't plan on going to Kentucky. I definitely didn't plan on going to Indiana. But I'm super glad I have the opportunity to check this park out. The Voyage is one of my bucket list coasters, and that layout looks absolutely insane. You know, funny story, I actually got an email from the park the other day saying that there are free soft drinks, and I'm like, free? You guys know that's my middle name. The lineup of wooden coasters really makes me anticipate this stop as a highlight. I hear great things about the water park too. If you know anything about Holiday World, please comment any tips or tricks. Like, is there any rides to avoid, any special foods to eat? Because like, I've never really been in this area at all. Outside of the Voyage, I'm really hyped to see Thunderbird. I love B&M to the point where it's like an obsession, and I also love launch coasters. I really want to see a launch B&M done right. Incredible Hulk doesn't count in my book. I also want to see if this wing coaster provides more forces than Gatekeeper. My only fear at Holiday World is that probably the same fear for all parks, the weather. I hope that it's sunny, not scorching, and no rain the whole time. Kinda looking at Indiana Beach since I'm gonna be there. It looks like it's a few hours drive. You know, I mean, driving isn't really a problem for me, but I haven't really considered whether I was going to go there fully or not, so out of the potential parks that I'm going to hit, this brings me to the very last park on my list. I've been there before. It's one of the greatest parks in the world for enthusiasts. I'm actually really pumped because I'm staying here the last few days of the trip. That should give me plenty of time to hit all of the coasters. My biggest fear at Cedar Point is the Access Pass system. I'm nervous that I won't be able to get all the credits, but I actually have most of them, so it's not a big deal. It's more about enjoying ourselves with what we have left of this shortened season. You know? Oh, and Top Thrill Dragster. It is just my luck that the 4 times I've been to Cedar Point, Dragster has always been down. I really desperately want to get this credit so I can compare it to King the Cobb, my local strata coaster. I hear nothing but great things about Dragster being superior, and I need to find out for myself. The cool thing about this leg is although I'm super cheap, I splurged at a stay at Hotel Breakers. It'll be my first time on the resort, and I look forward to that experience. I know I'm going against brand here, but I think it'll be worth it. If you like my channel, please hit subscribe, and follow me at Instagram at CheapThesis. I hope everyone has a safe and enjoyable summer. Peace.